excited right now, but at the same time, I feel the fear inside too. Because I understand the spotlight of this stage is just a nod of the past effort, but it will never guarantee a success in the future. I always pray that I will not lose the original passion of helping people. Money itself is not going to change you. It will make you more who you are. So I pray that I'm not going to focus on the money, but focus who I am and who you are. This is a prayer to me, myself, and also to you, everyone.
We give you a lot of information. Do you want to make a decisive decision? Do you know, as long as I can get 1 or 2 good ideas, it's worth the trip already. You have a chance to open up your vision. What happened in Vegas, stay in Vegas. But I want to make sure this time, whatever you learned in Vegas, please take home with you.
Empower, excel, succeed. Transglobal Summit now has officially been launched.
泛宇集团 Transglobal Summit 正式启动。
When you were welcomed all the way at the bottom of the escalators and all the way up to the meeting room, you guys understand how special this group is here, how much they care, how their compassion shows in their spirit to serve. That's why I wanted to join this firm.
Seeing new generations of talents joining our team and bring in new ideas, new insights, and different approaches to our overall directions. I feel that this will be an ongoing lifetime career opportunities for many.
Pretty amazing. First of all, we're amazed of how many people came to it from all areas in US.
Empower, excel, succeed. Empower, excel, succeed.
Transglobal, just like the door opener, is not just only one product.
The vision, the value that really aligns with what I would like to provide for my clients. That's why we're here.
After the successful summit conference in Vegas, we are all ready to move to the next chapter of our career. However, besides the vision and mission we already have, we also need great support. Imagine that. A comprehensive mentorship, an intensive training program, a friendly yet competitive team environment, and also a vast platform for practice. These are all the key elements that help financial professionals like you to move to the next level. And here in Transglobal, we have it all.
As a top producer, getting to dress up and receive a reward on the stage was very inspiring. If you are looking for a plan to achieve your professional goals, joining Transglobal will be the right place for you.
Surprisingly, every single time I attended a meeting, I learned something new. It's such a wonderful opportunity for you to grow your business in the next months, next year, next few years.
Because here, not only you are learning, but you are meeting with a lot of people. You created an association. It can help you to think something that you never thought about. Now you are empowered and you will excel. And then finally, you can succeed.
If there is something appreciated the most, is the leadership and guidance of our respected President, Philip. Embrace change and continually transcend our limits, achieving rapid growth.
You know, the fact that we can get 550 advisors in a room and do the training that we do for 3 days. That's why Philip is such the organization that he is, and #1 organization. And the fact that us as carriers can be there, absolutely phenomenal.
Wow, it was a big stage with the largest audience. I know this year it's a milestone for Transglobal, and I have to say that they've taken it to the next level.
Transglobal agents are some of the best trained agents I've run across. You constantly have training. Philip believes in it. wholeheartedly. I've been blessed to be a part of many of those trainings. And so as these folks learn more and more, they become better qualified agents in the field for their clients, as well as for Transglobal.
I've been in many meetings over my 32 years in this business. This is by far the largest that I've been to at an agency level.
Transglobal has continued to grow and add significant cases to the industry and providing protection for a myriad of clients, and we support that 100%.
If you talk to anyone on my team, they absolutely love working with this organization, and they're all chomping at the bit to make sure that they're here at this training with you all. When I look at what you're all doing and the sacrifices and the time commitment that you put in for all 550 of you to be here is what sets you apart.
Philip's passion for the business and the knowledge that he has to share with agents as well as clients is second to none. Congratulate Transglobal on 30 years of success.
Congratulations on 30 wonderful years, Transglobal. Philip, thank you so much for the partnership. I know that you'll have many more years to come. It is truly amazing what you do. It is the best in the business, and we are just so proud and happy to be a partner for Transglobal.
We want to put out our heart to try to see what we can offer you. And also, know people doing well, learn from them. You make a decision where you want to go. And the most important thing, make sure it was us.
In East Coast and across the nation, we're expanding, constantly seeking new talents. If you also share what we believe, talk to us. You might become a part of this great journey.